time still, but something in the middle of free.
What go on?
With keep it on.
What them do with keep it on now?
Rape charge.
Rape? Oh, the Boba talk about rape. That not sound good.
I see one man get beaten.
No.
Big boy.
Same thing though.
I just.
Yo, it's that so lit. Yo, it's that first. Me check it. It's a bill. Never use a meeting. Yes, a bill.
We think it's a bill.
Yeah, man. Me think it's a mash shit at first, man.
But-
Kill him with lick.
But anyway, listen, people.
Alright, guys, we got away.
This Rasta does mess up everything a while ago. The beating. And the beating. I don't know.
Hi, so good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and again, welcome to the Upnlive show. You know we're here every Wednesday between 8 and 10 on Flames Radio.
Yes.
I didn't forget the radio station's name. I did not. And in studio, the man was saying, you can't say it to the brother.
The struggle is real.
No, the nigga. Crawpa, what is happening? Nice to have you in studio with us.
I know, so it's nice to be here as well.
Yeah.
Big up yourself and big up to the entire crew.
Yeah.
Yes.
So Flames Radio, I don't know the thing said.
Of course.
Friendship.
Right, so you did well. It's good to meet people.
Yeah. Yes.
That's true.
And it's finally good to meet you. Well, in person, obviously.
You know me never know say I see a tall brother.
No, I'm just joking. It's everybody's gonna say, Rawpa, see you tall.
Because he always sits
The man always sit down and me and say, yo.
Hold on, one to them, vlog them and don't time turn up.
Well,
Who don't watch the one there? Who don't watch the one there?
we don't watch them one day. We don't watch them one day.
No, man, I don't lie. I feel like when I watch the video, then I feel like say if me take you on a fight, I would come out on the winning side. But when me see you now, I kinda rephrase me think, yeah, forward again.
Probably no, you don't still come up on them winning side because I'm a man of peace.
Oh,
Yes.
Believe me that. Third the next street. I'm joking, I'm afraid I let me grow too much alive. I don't like them something there. No, don't like it.
I lie.
Tell me something. I'm very curious to know the name. Where does Crawpa, the name Crawpa come from?
I know, sir. Crawpa is a name where it come from my father basically. My
So
stammer, my father stammer, so I believe back in the days he was trying to pronounce a female name, and the female name Rawpa.
Yeah.
And instead I say Rawpa, Jim stammer, he ended up saying Rawpa and the name stuck on him. But you know, while growing up, your father have a friend in the community, my father not did that. So he started off by them call me Rawpa boy until me grow up. You understand? And graduate and me also became the Crawpa.
So who you crop now? You know Jamaicans call
Yes.
crop or crop.
You
You know that
Crop.
Right. So
Yeah.
the crop, who you crop now?
God, back in
You just say afraid though.
Alright, back in the days, they usually no, I don't crap like that, man. Back in the days, they used to call me Rawpa the girl, them Crawpa, so you don't know.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
so we take out the girl them.
Yeah, so take out the girl, them and just you don't know Rawpa Crawpa.
Okay, understandable. And my pre say you did a artist one time. I don't know if you're still an artist. Are you still
Yeah, I'm still an artist, guys. As I sit once the artist, you know.
Yeah, you never stop.
Right,
And
right.
yeah, Joe, maybe soon drop back on the scene, because I have plans right now after the movie premiere done deal with it.
Yeah.
Me I got touch back the studio and put out some tune because this how the thing originate from originally. But only 2030 me say alright, watch you now. Me go try venture in some other area. So
Yeah.
right about now, me go put music on a pause and then me go try me go do a movie, me go do a movie.
Yeah.
You see me? So as so comes, me put music on pause, me start do the movie, and then 2015 me find myself become a vlogger. So we just work with the kind of multi-talented boy. Yeah.
Sorry, Rick, go ahead.
Go on. So we're gonna get to the movie premiere in a bit, but we want to start back from the beginning, the roots. As you say, you were born in Jamaica, right?
Definitely.
And so at what age did you migrate to the UK?
I know sometime I'm about 20.
About 20. So that's
Yeah.
not so long ago. Cause you don't look so old. Young boy.
Now over 18 years on the turn time one. 2000. Yeah, man.
So you admit that you...
You admit that you're old. No, me I try to defend him. You see that?
Let me say, you are young as though you
Young as you
feel.
feel,
Yeah, me
young
feel
as
like me a teenager. Hold on. You know, so the thing set now, so that all the time I move fast. Me not feel say,
Yeah.
time I move right. Cause listen me, one time I remember back by my parents and remember big people. Me not feel say me look like a big people.
Yeah.
Nah, me still look like a young youth. See me? Yeah. Chew me a beast. Me might bush up and you know
Yeah.
I think I'm here mad more time because I style like but I want to some rapper crap and shave up and then something I'm look like all 15.
I just say you grew up in Jamaica, right?
Yeah.
So talk us through school. What school did you attend in Jamaica?
I know say I'm never go year school. I come from Clarendon. I'm a place name here, so I go year school. Then from year school, I go Maple Comprehensive High, and from there so I left from this and them that go on cook school.
So you're a chef now as well?
Oh yes, man, with me, enemy man with me eye.
That's why I see you did the video today where the girl we are talking about says she a cook.
The brown stew chicken.
Jamaica.
The brown stew chicken.
Yeah,
Said her aunt taught her to
You
cook
can't
brown
get
stew
cable and bobo for beat.
I'm gonna make him carry the board. 2 before we go beat
I
her.
know sir, you them they are stressed and enough people are coming on and say, but Rawpa at least you try. But if you try, go try have the camera and the man.
Yeah.
I make people know say you try. Nobody come big and bold like say, yo, oh,
She a chef.
auntie teach me this and grandma teach auntie and make you whole generation look bad. No,
It not look good.
yeah, sorry for auntie star. One time my auntie sit. Auntie could have beat her with that board.
No, God, no. The whole internet a beat her like a runaway slave, I swear. Them beat her bad.
You know.
Like, big man thing.
Yeah, man,
Make-
she's never beat.
You know why I'm upset? She have full color.
And see again, she have the Jamaican heritage and
Yeah, she have.
my kids them born over here. Me not feel disappointed. Look more one time them come and they missing man do some say them a represent for Jamaica and food and cook them sitting there. Whether the girl or the boy, any one of them are the same. Cause me a boy pick me and me can do everything from me.
From young, yeah.
Yeah, man, like, she
You see me I say,
God, no, she never usually play Dolly House and then sitting there.
why you not look like she play no farm?
Cause you know, from there, so you look cooking lesson start from your pitney.
You don't look like she play no farmer house. You look like she never go in her kitchen again. Yeah.
And she just a try a thing, don't.
Make her go down to yellow.
I swear. So you said you went to all this school in Jamaica at the tender age, and you decided to migrate to UK at 20, age 20.
Yeah.
What was the reason why you came over here? Was it a family move or was it business or what?
You know, so at that time, my name don't want to live in Jamaica, but when mom decided to watch it now, you have to fly out now, you have to come out because you have to man now at least more you have a proper opportunity. Which one I have opportunity still.
Yeah.
But you say no, more you come over here and furthermore you have a big son, so you have to come over here and come try make a life for yourself. Establish yourself if you become a man, isn't it? So I say, alright, I get forced to lean back, so I just lean back and just fly out.
And how was the transition from moving from Jamaica to the UK? Because we know say different climate.
And well, it's alright
Mindset.
because you saw work that's when I jump in the place. I come link with some virgin where me and them living at the same scheme.
Yeah.
I come link with some virgin who living at the same area that I'm down in Kennington where me and them is in the same class at school. So it's like when I come I jump among some family same time.
You feel like you're at home.
Yes, it wasn't that bad. You don't know it was stress because you left your brother and your sister them down there and you left it was stress, but when you come and you box some people and them growing up and they want especially from the same era, it becomes much more easier.
True.
Yeah.
And so therefore, you started music before you left to Jamaica or when you came to the UK?
A year ago now. I start music properly when I come to UK. When I dad Jamaica, I was one of the little youth them where even now I do it. I ever walk on the road and sing. No, me ever walk on the road.
I true that. You always have an artist and walk.
Always a sing.
Yeah, people say, oh, they can make nice, man. Yeah, you can make nice, but yeah, man, I did something then. Me have a cousin, them time me and my cousin used to say, alright, one time I drop a foreign, what we are going to do and the avenue them we are going to take and so said, so done.
Yeah, but your introduction, Dragon want to say something?
Talking about that, I see like a little interview somebody on a plane, getting sent back to Jamaica, and that with the whole Windrush thing.
Yeah.
Can you just tell me the real point out that? Cause I never get to watch the full interview. Because you know me the time where I go work, so I never get to watch it. I just one of them things that will come up on my Facebook timeline and I see it and I say really interested, but I couldn't find it back. I check your YouTube page, but through the amount of content you have on it.
No, I don't issue content now. And you know, say it's like me I go down and win. I'm January. Me I go down and me hear some commotion in the back I play. Me I say, you know what? Yeah, me need not to pre-war go on down there. Yo, me say body attack and rare. Me say, you know what? That I want thing with me, not because my name Rawpa. And everything me feel like to me for run up in and then everything me feel like me for push up now. Me a boy me ever build and humble and observe. Until me did and me see I'm Empress for forward and say, yo, Rawpa, you know, say, a youth in the back and get the port and me tell him say they on the plane and he say, call you. Like that now, me have to move ASAP because somebody called me.
You were summoned.
Me were summoned,
course.
yes, so, you see, because man was summoned like, man had to make that move, fam. So, man went there and said, oh, what's going on, eh? And youth I say, boy, Rawpa, I know, say, I send them and say me down illegally. And I said that another dog. I jump up my camera and see man, you have some big thick boy and I said, oh! You don't want the camera, you can't do no filming now. What you do?
And me see the guy say like, I me give him permission to film me.
Yeah, man.
Film me.
You say, yo, I'm me give him permission to film me. And I see you got me not do none of you, so I not worry. And I start with the youth, although them still there. I pressure me and tell them, oh, one time I play in land, I'm going to get the police, them deal with me and I crocus dog or something. And me I say, it's from me, know, say, I'm a media person.
Yeah.
So, you can't tell me say I can't film it. In the last, I'm telling you what them use to stop me. They must say, alright, Virgin didn't give you permission. I mean, I say, right, Virgin didn't give you no permission for choose. So, if you continue now, one time I reach down, then can use that against it. So, I said to the youth, alright, when I reach down, we're going to give you a further interview and we'll talk more. But you know, you got to get the port, them take him one
different direction.
But you see, and him could get whole help, you know, whole help, right, see, man, some people, a lot of people say, well, you see, sometimes I don't understand what people fool. You nervous and you stress and a problem and you don't make a mistake and say the 30th of February. Come on, no, and the 31st of February. No, it's a mistake, man.
Right.
It's a little stress out thing and like me realize when the video start get justice and when them realize the little windward thing, the little dipping whole heap of people I get wrongfully dip and everybody I pray and I say like, oh, the video are the real thing and rare cause me see it and me I say, all me last say like, boy, I go down one of the troublemaker them a send down. But though when we sit down and pray to you I say, boy, innocent man like me and you them just can bungle up and just send me down because them feels for send me down.
A real meds, man. A real meds. So, but the part them burn me more out of everything. When you go down, and give me link to his sister them. So my page him sister, I believe him sister live a country. So I remember Overhampton I one of them place them. So now me page his sister, all she concerned about, he might make the family look bad. If he delete the video.
Because he did the interview. But, I mean,
Right.
what about the fact that he's been deported illegally?
She no business with that. All she thought about the family and look bad. So me I said to myself, say no, so that's why the youth get deported because
There's no support.
No
There's
support needed for youth. Until now, she don't give me the youth link. So and youth live me and I'm me live to, you know.
And you can't find him.
We had a lot of opportunities.
It's a
And we have a whole heap of opportunity to film because a whole heap of people come here. You have some other different nation of people.
Yeah.
See how Rawpa, what the youth say, I showed me used to work with him and me used to do this with him and
Yeah.
in case me there do this. But it just disappear so. And I was wondering why it
Right.
just disappear. But no, me really see the reason why I disappear. If you mean sister them are interested, I believe you to the all in that place and you know reach so far. All them interested. Wait. Oh, she's so now, you know, more time I have some people who choose some big stone behind them.
Yeah.
Because she didn't even talk Jamaican. She sound so
She's-
smooth and him too ragamuffin.
yeah, because he's like a bad apple, they say. They want to get rid of him.
Right.
That's it, I tell you. But anyway, your introduction to vlogging and the media side, how did that come about? Because as I said, you were an entertainer, you're in music. What caused you to choose? I almost said choose. What caused you to choose vlogging over everything else?
You know, so I never choose vlogging and vlogging choose me.
How's that? Talk me through it.
Yeah, I go on now. One time I was going out and me in a cab. And we are talking about Jamaican, but the cab driver is also an elderly Jamaican man.
Okay.
And if you know this, man I talk about Jamaican and I deal with we as Jamaican and I'm a Jamaican. Customer service.
Oh, Jesus.
Are terrible.
I true man.
Oh,
Tell us
jeez.
about it. Yeah, man.
Don't call the shop name, please. Yeah.
Experience we can
Yeah, that I think that's what connect with people, you know.
Because
The realness.
trust me, when him a talk, him not talk a whole back, you get the full truth.
Full truth.
And before you go any
No
further,
put you up, no nothing.
there's one person that I needed to shout out for. He's your biggest fan. His name is Neil. He's a person that who actually introduced me to Rawpa. He's like, come to me, he's like, Ricky, have you seen Rawpa Crawpa, blood? You seen that Rawpa Crawpa? So more you big up Neil, because Neil your biggest fan.
Big up yourself, Neil. I don't know his struggle is real. All up I respect my family. Make sure I say the movie premiere. More have to say the movie premiere.
He will be there.
So
Let me ask you a quick question. Who made that song there? Rawpa Crawpa. You are the real godfather. The struggle real. But we are going to hold the order.
Review but sometimes
You know the song bad?
Rawpa Crawpa. And you know, so it's a little arts at Jamaica when you Scholar the Intellect, Chap City.
And you see if they get that song they never use it. You're that wicked to yourself.
No man, I tell you, so one time me have to represent it. Even one day I go to Jamaica, I go link him up. I'm little general now, man, and it's a little youth where he might do some, he's a little leader, community leader. Because I know say you have one and two little youth them out the way and put in the good works. You understand? And then they on the lay thing, it's a little youth like that. I rate him and I'm a general. Big up yourself, Scholar the Intellect. Chap City, Lock City.
Scholar the Internet, you need to link up because I want a little freestyle.
You see,
You know, a little one freestyle. Yeah.
So take us to the movie. We've been hearing him say about the movie premiere. So take them out of their suspense.
Alright, now Rawpa, as I said
What is
earlier.
the movie premiere? My gosh. What is the movie premiere about? What is the movie about?
Basically, the movie is about a radio DJ and them artists with Virgin, where the radio DJ find himself in the wrong crew where he mess up. He mess a little coward youth, but eventually he find himself in the wrong circle where the man then besides the boy, let them go fix him up. Where the artist, me play the artist role now, I feel eventually jump out of my comfort zone to figure defend my virgin and reach this stage where them put out a hit for my head. So that's what comes to name the role against Rawpa. You see me? So basically, but it's a movie with a whole of different elements. It's a movie where you go laugh, it's a movie where you go shock and you go say, what put the idea there? It's a movie for everybody. A bit of everything.
It's a family oriented movie.
Not really.
But 18.
PG-18 guys,
Yeah,
so those
18.
who are under the age of 18, please stay home.
You understand? It's
Right.
an 18 thing, but it's the movie of everybody.
Right.
You go laugh, you go cry, you go some it's a bit of everything.
Everything. Cool.
Rawpa, me see a look up. Me never watch the movie. Me see preview. But me still like them wet you up.
Don't give us anything.
No, me
Tell him if you got the movie premiere, go watch it.
Then
People,
Alright?
if you don't want to know the rest,
When is the movie premiere?
alright.
it's the 21st of July,
And
2018.
everybody can
Wait there.
Everybody can roll. It's gonna be at Odeon Cinema in Greenwich.
How much for the ticket?
Well, you have different levels ticket. They have £20 ticket, £25 ticket. They have
Early bird tickets are £20 and they're going fast. So.
Alright, I
Very,
also
very
have
fine.
VIP ticket for £45 and the
Double
couple
VIP.
ticket, double VIP for £80. That's for couple. You understand? And VIP we have an after party after the cinema. We have an after party until up to 2 to 3 and 2:33. So I say with the champagne and them things. So if you grab yourself a VIP ticket, you don't know. If one time you come and do your red carpet and your camera settings and them things, that you don't have to wait outside because you have VIP. You can go up and just wait in the chilling room or the VIP room and them something. So
Tell them one more time the date. One more time the date.
Where it is.
21st July 2018 Greenwich.
And when
Yeah.
you can get the ticket?
Yes.
I don't know so you can get the tickets from Shubs.
Yeah.
www.shubs.com and they say ticket, they just go and tap in Rawpa Crawpa movie or w.a.r war or the world against
Just like
Rawpa.
Rawpa and it come up.
And so is that the direction for the future, making movies? You're gonna be doing more of this, or is it less vlogging or what?
We don't want to do less and nothing, you know, we want to do more everything. But me originally want to work because over here we don't have much Jamaica based movie.
Yeah.
Majority of them are from Jamaica or from America, so we have an open gap. So I decide from longer time so I have to step in and fill that gap.
Yes.
Even though my first movie it take a bit of time, but I learn everything I need to learn from this, so I'm
Take it in stride.
right and also put in the work so it come out to the best.
Right.
So every year we mind to drop one movie every year.
Hold on. Me kind of realize a little thing like the Americans them and the so say the other people out of the Jamaican diaspora is capitalized on our culture, but not the Jamaicans, because like for instance you have people doing Jamaican music, people doing Jamaican movies. You have a lot of the comedians who have good following, big following, and they are just branching off either to artists or trying to be a stand-up comedian. What about the other scenes? Like, as what you're saying, making movie. Try go on the red carpet. You know, some of them big events because you have start from somewhere, and I'm kind of proud of the move where I make.
Yeah, so you're gonna remember now one time where we are thinking about thinking huge, you know. We can't do just think in a little box. We have to go out of the box. You understand? And try put out different things. Sometimes we can't afraid to try.
Yeah, you have to test yourself, you know, because I mean there are limits that you have. Or talents that you have that you don't know that you have. But you have to test yourself.
When you find yourself with a gift, no slump on it.
Yeah.
You understand? Me about myself taught myself to do everything, and from myself taught myself to edit. And I realize that I can edit and do everything together.
And do business. Yeah.
Even my movie, I do 90.9% of everything. What I can do, a French do.
Big up yourself, friendship.
Friendship, big up.
Big up management.
Yeah, because like.
Half of the 99.
Look at me about what they want to do. They want prove something to myself. We don't want every credit to Rawpa Crawpa.
No.
Direct shoot.
No, Rawpa Crawpa, like, a next thing me have to really commend you on. Me always like how you give credit where it's due.
Yeah.
Because I was watching one of your video where you asked to like, big up some of the youth them will go school, we can edit and rare. And this some of you them focus on allow the badness and allow certain things because editing is such amount of money. And you was going some figures, you was breaking the whole thing down.
Yeah man, because watch it now. You see, once them can do certain things, becoming a vlogger is good because it's also a business. And as we talked earlier, we need to branch out more and do more business, more self-employment. Because watch it now, a man can die Jamaica, he doesn't have a phone.
True.
You don't have, if you don't have video like a Rawpa Crawpa do, you can just go different parts of Jamaica and just video and upload it. Because we realize say people love people that far, they love this walk and Jamaica. So there's a whole lot of different simple ways. And also brand your channel.
Yes.
Nobody follow everybody with whole lot mix up and whole lot nonsense because as I said, it's a platform for business. If you on YouTube and you do the right thing and work it the right way, it will be much more beneficial for you. And sometimes nobody running for the quick eye. Take your time and build your thing right. Yo, no man,
as what they say, the race is not for the swift, it's those who can endure. Because like I'm a DJ and all away a DJ and we in this struggle long time because me I play music years now. And like some of the time, you know the apple on the tree in the ripe yet. You have to wait till your apple for ripe, you pick it.
That's true.
You have to just go and wait and watch it.
I'm going to put in the works, that's the greatest thing. I remember you know, as I say as an artist, you know, I never stop nothing, I got venture and do something else and do something else. You
so
understand?
you build the different talents that you have.
And something work. When I just sit down, I just sit down right up on the street like anybody else and say, yo, I have something there now. But no, we need more than that. We need structure. As I say, once you get up and you have a dream or you have an aim and you structure yourself and go out there go do it, and nobody will be rushing. Just take your time and do what you do. Things will work.
So, quick question. What next for Rawpa Crawpa? What other side we're gonna see in the near future for Rawpa Crawpa?
And me I say about when I go see my artistical side next because I want to movie drop, I want to touch back studio, I want to lock down the place with some music.
Yeah, if I come back Upnlive show, come drop like again.
Yeah, understand?
So like how you say you want to touch back in music side, you know we have a little tradition and Upnlive show, yeah? Everybody coming here, at least 16 bar them have to give up on the Upnlive beat. I don't know if you heard the beat with Fire Q was singing on earlier on. 16 bar on it, man. It's not no hard. Yeah. No, pan the rhythm.
That's a tradition.
It's a tradition. You can't break the tradition, you know.
You can't break the tradition. Talk of what is good for you, brother.
No, I know sometimes a tradition, but you really may know, you understand.
Just ride the
We
rhythm.
just want to do something simple and something quick.
Yeah.
We don't want to go tap on the rhythm, so make an exception for the tradition.
No, we don't make this.
No, Rawpa.
We don't make no tradition. This is
Can't get you now, you see? The tune.
While the matter, let's play the rhythm.
The tune number one job. The rhythm too fast, see the tune number one job.
You put yourself in.
You want the next rhythm?
Yeah, man, yeah, give me something else.
What kind of rhythm? Me have everything, you know. You want a hip hop one, you want a reggae one, you want a dance.
No hip hop. Give me something dance.
Alright, here we go now.
Yo, give me a joke, you know, long me no voice.
You go voice.
Crocodile tail.
Crocodile tail. Everybody can write that song.
Alright, Jada wanna sling thing.
Struggle. who no want no bad friend. Me tell you all of them who no want no bad friend again. Bad friend no want no bad friend. Me tell you all of them who no want no bad friend. Bring all this little youth call Tony and Glenn. The two of them apart from who you back when. Marshall and Rexha knock a turn Ben. Split all the money between the two of them. So we next friend want to kill the next friend. Him stop 9 1 times more than 10. Him never use a knife, I speak tall and then. Him friend turn him back and give me stop them talk. Bad friend now no want no bad friend. Me tell you all like them who no want no bad friend again. Bad friend now no want no bad friend. Me tell you all like them who no want no. Let me ask you. Yeah. What me say?
I don't know why Dragon wants to see the vlogger.
Yeah.
You want to talk about the vlogger too.
Now you are going, you know. So, may I introduce the people to our next side of Rawpa Crawpa?
Yes.
I want to know it yes, so it come from first, right? And the Upnlive show and Flames Radio.
Upnlive.
So who don't know?
You don't know, right?
Yeah.
I want to big up Rawpa Crawpa for passing through the Upnlive show. I want to thank you very much, because you know you didn't have a part join up with this. I'm just grateful for your forward and the story. Your side.
Say what to say, make a pass through and come show me respect, you know.
This is right. And we come in for that because most people, some of the time, the artists that will say XYZ and turn up them, show a different side. They could hype side. Like, so,
we never really work with them something there. You understand? Them they won't waste that time. We not time for them something there.
No.
You understand? We deal with unity and love.
And peace.
100%.
The man says a peace, man.
yes.
You understand?
Yeah.
So
The movie is premiered the 21st of July.
yes.
And we're going to be looking forward for that. So people, make sure you get your tickets.
And the team shall be there to support
Yeah, we
Upnlive
should be there.
today. Dream team.
We need to cover that event. Can we cover your event?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Seriously, we'd like to come there and cover your event. So we're getting the permission right here live.
Frenchie.
See him shaking when you get this.
Yeah, man.
Management. Listen to management. Listen to management. You understand? It has been signed and sealed.
Yeah. So wanna come and support the event. Wanna come and also do a bit of work and getting people feedback and stuff like that. Also, we are in the street, so as I always say, from a next black man to a black man and a Jamaican to a Jamaican, we'd like you to help you propel your career to a higher level. And
Higher than
then
where it
that's
is.
your event also,
Yeah.
because like we all about supporting black business, and as I always say, homegrown talent. We support every black talent in UK who are doing dancehall, and some of them who is not really doing dancehall, but we appreciate the work that they're done in the streets.
Yeah.
But a lot of people scared of this branding. The Upnlive show, we are a dancehall show. A dancehall show. It's not a hip hop show, but occasionally the hip hop artists or the grime artists who are doing the good work, we invite them down to the Upnlive show to get their interview and their views and things. But we are dancehall because we are Jamaican, and to be honest, Jamaican don't have a lot of platform in the UK.
That's true. That's true.
We don't have a lot of venue also, so I'm barefaced. I'm not gonna shy away and say, you know, we are grime or we are UK rap. We are dancehall. I'm from Jamaica. Ricky's from Jamaica. Rasta is from Jamaica. You are from Jamaica. Fire Q's from Jamaica. Sheldon is from Jamaica. Frenchie, where from Jamaica?
Ivory Coast.
How are yourself?
It's the same thing.
It's
It's
a
the same line.
It's the same line.
It's a motherland. And
Yes.
like,
Yes.
some of the time, we'll let this stigma water down our heritage,
Yes.
our culture. This UK stigma, because they're trying to say
Yes.
like it's not commercialized enough to go on certain platform, but
Yeah.
they still use our raw product and the commercial stuff.
And exactly.
And we have to give thanks for that. But anyway, we're running out of time right now, and we can see the promotion. The producers are looking at me like, oh, time's up. But quickly before we go, Rawpa Crawpa, how we can find you and find your music online?
Go on any available social media platform and just tap in Rawpa Crawpa. I mean, easy to find me everywhere. And if you want to listen to some of the music that I've done before, just go on SoundCloud at Rawpa Crawpa. Or even if you're on YouTube, if you want to see videos, we do so much vlog. The vlog overpower everything else. So you have to go up on YouTube and tap in Rawpa Crawpa music video, and then you'll see quite a few of them come.
True, man.
It's what me I say.
And if you're looking to find him,
Definitely. All right, keep it locked right here. This is Flames Radio. Each and every Wednesday we're live here. This is the Upnlive. Remember, go onto the channel, like us, subscribe. Not Rawpa Crawpa we're talking about the Upnlive show, all right?
Upnlive!
Like, share, Give us a quick outro.
Up on live, and people make sure to tune in and don't go in. Up on live and running. Yo, the whole place get done in. Rawpa Crawpa representing. The show is real.
Alright. Definitely shock is real. Right here, keep it locked. This is Flames Radio live. See you next week, people. Remember, anything you do, put Father God first. Upnlive Rick, Dragon Allstar, Likkle Brown Rasta, World Mag was here. Fire Q. Last word from Dragon.
This Saturday, no, this Friday, all shoes are pint to Rocky Boss Party.
4,
Who's the boss?
2.
So, who are the boss down there, yeah?
Our current time is 10 p.m.
So I'm telling you time.